that. Is it radon? Yep, radon. Knew it. Well, it's been dealt with. That's how you deal with it. But all you can do, you go downstairs and show you what it looks like downstairs, so you can get a feel for it. I don't think the house you put an offer in on will have that problem. You notice you're on, you probably can't tell, but it's kind of steep and it looks like clay, but it all depends on what you got underneath the clay. And if you've got granite and rock, you have radon, or you can have radon. So your yard would be a wet mess back here. I don't even know where that's coming from, because that's capped off, and that's a gutter spout, enclosed gutter spout. It's not open on the top, keep leaves out and whatnot. But it's interesting because it's a little mound. Oh, just bugs. Looks like it comes up here. You have like literally less than 5 feet. I mean, it's nice because it's newer, but not if you want to be in a backyard.